Hubby picked for me my first cucumber harvested from these plants. There's lots of blooms, lots and lots of blooms. So I'm hoping that these blooms turn into cucumbers. I'm not noticing many bees around this morning, but I do know we have bees flying around on occasion. So I'm hoping everything gets pollinated and that we end up with a bunch of cucumbers, because I like me some cucumbers. Yep, this cucumber came off of that last bush that I just showed you. I also have some squash of some kind. I'm hoping it's pumpkin. It grew as a volunteer out on the compost pile, actually, is where it's growing. It came up by itself. So that's the latest events in my garden, my cucumber. I'm anxious to eat it. When I get a bunch more, I'll be able to make some pickles. I love pickles. Dill pickles. I'm not crazy about sweet pickles of any kind, bread and butter or any of those. I don't know. I just never grew to like them. But I love dill pickles. So that's what I'll be making. And if my bushes don't end up giving me a bunch of pickles, I'll have to find out about buying some pickles. But with all those blooms, I should be getting some pickles, wouldn't you think? I sure hope so anyway. So I know this video isn't very long particularly. It's too long to be considered a short. And part of it was repeated in a video about my cats. So you probably saw 2 videos coming out today. Both of them contain info about my cucumber. But this one's just about the cucumber and the squash plant. It was some little pumpkins that we put in the compost pile last year that I tried to keep them in the house longer than they were capable of not spoiling. So they ended up on the compost pile, and I'm pretty sure that must be what is growing out there. Hubby said that there's a bunch of blooms on it, so wish me luck. And then I have one squash plant in a pot out in the garden, and I didn't show that to you today. It is in one of my previous videos, but I'm pretty sure that I'll get, and I think that one might be a zucchini, but I'm pretty sure that I'll get at least 1 or 2 squashes off of it. I hope, because I love squash. My neighbor always gives me some that she grows. She hasn't given me any yet this year, but I know she will. So I will have plenty. I will have probably plenty of squash. I'm hoping, because that's something we both enjoy eating. Well, I'm going to go ahead and let you go. And I'm hoping you have a good day. And I know I plan to have a good day. Every day is a good day, right? Even on days when we feel lousy and things aren't going right, it's still a good day, because God has given us our life. And He's given me my little garden, my sweet family, my kitty cats. So all of those things are precious to me. And you are precious to me too, because you're watching my videos, and I appreciate it so much. And thank you when you make comments. Sometimes I respond by saying something, and sometimes I just do a like and a heart. Either way, you know that I'm reading your comments, and I love communicating with you. May the Lord surround you with His love and blessings, and I will see you on my next video.